having a coffee. So this is what I always do in the morning. I go to my charts, check my trades, and I look for new trades. Then maybe 4 hours later or something, after I've been doing some other stuff, I go back to the charts and repeat the process. So I want you guys to know that trading doesn't have to be a full-time job kind of thing where you sit at the chart like 4 or 5 hours a day. Nah, trading it can be something you would do only like 20 minutes a day. For example, the news trading I do for my PAM account, percentage acquisition management module. There I only trade the news, and the news it doesn't happen all the time. Like if you go look at the calendar, there is no news today. There's only one event tomorrow which is worth trading, and then the next day there's like 2 events that can be traded. So it's like 10 minutes a day. Here it could be 20 to 30 minutes this day. And with the purely technical fat cat strategy, it's really the same. You just look at the 4 hour and you just cycle through the charts. So how my trade's doing? My trade has retraced from almost hitting the take profit. Am I scared? No, it's probably just going to do something like this. Make another high here and then continue down. So I'm hoping for this. Let's remove this. Okay. And the other trade is it has been hovering around this level, but it's moving towards the take profit, so I'm happy with this. Only thing I'm a bit scared of is it's been bouncing off this resistance level, but I think eventually it will go down anyway, and if it's a loss, it's just a loss. So let's go to the chart. Okay, here we have something interesting. We have had some consolidation around the zone, then we pulled down, then we got back up into the zone and we rejected the zone. So I'm thinking we are going to test this zone right here or these lows. So let's enter a trade here on AUD get short position. Put the stop loss above the highs. Let's put it at the zone. See which target we're gonna have there. Yeah, that's looking good. Something like this. I put it above the FIB level to make sure we don't get stopped out by a stop hand. Right. It's good. And create limit order. Making a market order 0.5 risk. And we are in the trade. It's as simple as that. Very nice formation. This is more of the exotic pairs, so let's go down and get. That's good. the metals. Oil. No, first the indexes. Let's do all the indexes today. Trading the 4-hour with the indexes is a bigger spread on most brokers, but if you trade the 4 hours, it's usually not really an issue. Except for charts like this, of course. Let's go back one, the EU 50. No. The German 30 has been having this Y pattern, so it's expanding an expanding range. The zones are still there. I think it will go and retest this, because as you can see in the past it's also been doing movements like this. So the trading fat cat is not all about just the fat cat, it's also about knowing something about structure. So let's put a stop order here to confirm the move. Put the stop above the recent highs. Then target here. As you can see, it's not at the bottom, but we want something that, even in case price decides to do a quick retracement like this and then move up, we still close the trade. Okay. So let's punch in the order. 0.5. Okay, I forgot that about the indices. You can trade that on the 10,000 account unless you risk big. Let's go to oil. Okay, oil is looking really good for a move back down, because what most charts usually do after a trend is they need to establish a W formation before they can break out. So we are going to do here, we're aiming for it to do just that. So we're targeting these lows. Okay, and as you can see, it's been going steadily down. Maybe this would be a better confirmation. So, but still I'm going to enter right here, because the zone is just looking very good with 2 FIP levels. So go here, stop loss somewhere over here. Now I want the stop loss above this big move, so we can get the power of that as a protection. Yeah, something like this. Create market order, 0.5 risk. Okay. Lots of sells in the market these days. Let's see if we can find a long in the coming days, but I think it will be sells for now. Okay, that's looking like a good setup. stop loss goal, target the next zone. This here is a small risk. And we're in the trades. Look at the best trades. 3 into profit, 2 in a loss. No loss, so I don't really care. Let's look at the metals. Nothing interesting. Sorry for the noise in that last clip, but I was at a bar. Like in trading, you need to be able to move, to be on the move, and be able to open your chart anywhere. I have a relatively small laptop. I take it anywhere I go. Just have to open it, create a mobile hotspot on my telephone, open the charts, so I can be on the chart every 4 hours and monitor my trades. Like I don't need to monitor this, like I just keep it, wait till it goes to the profit. But if I want to make a good gain on the month, I need to be able to check the chart every 4 hours, not to miss any setups. Like, well, I don't trade during the night. It at least needs to be late in the Asian session, London session, or New York session. So mostly during the day where I live in Belgium. So that's how I structure the fat cut every 4 hours during the day. Late in the evening, I don't trade. Like I also know that very late in the evening, well, I don't have my edge. I'm tired. You shouldn't be trading when you're tired. You should be trading when you feel good. It should be a priority of you to take care of yourself and feel good, because otherwise your trading will suffer. Trading is a reflection about how you are in life. So take care of that, and then you will see improvement in your trading. So let's go through the charts one by one. Alright, so here you got big consolidation and we're touching this zone. So what I want here is, I want to wait to have more confirmation of it coming back up, because, well, the consolidation can be broken and we can get a big move and we get right to the stop loss. So you always want to have some move first. So maybe in 4 hours I will open a move. It's later during the day, but for this one it's going to be an easy trade. Let's say that. Here I had this idea the previous times I saw this chart that the market would be going towards this zone, as they also act like magnets, especially when they're so bright, and after a powerful move down, the market is going to retrace to these. But this is not part of my trading plan. That is always interesting to see these hypotheses happen. But don't trade them, stick to your simple trading plan. Just it's all about discipline, you know. Could have taken the trade, but I don't have to. Alright, this is looking good, moving towards the take profit. Also doing good this trade. Have a look here. What I want to see here, even though there's a strong zone here, I'm probably going to put some support. If this is starting to form a double top and it moves past this zone, let me draw it to make it more clear. You want to see a W formation
then reject down below the zone, move back up, start moving down. This way you end up with stop here and target the low. Right. Not looking good at all, but just be patient with your trades. If I would be trading just price action, I would probably wait for a long here. See, I got a clear W formation and it's waiting to break out. Okay, here is a classical example of price breaking a zone and coming back to the MA and the zone, going down. The moment this starts to move down here, I am expecting this zone to get reached. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to put in an order. Stop loss somewhere here. Profit. Put it a bit higher above the zone. I don't care about this wick. Simple like this. Below these wicks, have an entry, 1-to-1 target. Here, put in a stop order, 0.5 risk. Okay, let's do it again, because I want to have a time limit on the stop loss. Time of force, a day, I don't want this to stay here. 0.5, right, put in the sell. Lots of zones on this chart. You see a lot of zones like this, like you don't want to trade it. You can train on this, but nah, you don't want to trade it because it's not clear. You want a clean chart. And moving towards the stop loss. Do we care? No, because we're in a lot of trades. And look at this. Most trades are profitable. Oh, this trade hasn't been hit yet. So. Okay. Khan is doing good, by the way. Wasn't expecting this to go this well, but we're probably going to get some drawdown in the future. We'll see about that. Also, I'm using the 0.5% stop loss. On a personal account, I would use a higher stop loss, but this also needs to be prop firm friendly. I want to see if I can make it to the challenges with this account, to do a prop challenge later using FatCat. So we'll see about that. Right, interesting. This one really doesn't want to take profit, but just be patient. A lot of the traders' mistakes is just they're not patient. Because of people just don't have the patience, discipline and the focus to be a good trader. Let's go back to that previous chart. This here is looking like a really good zone to get a trade off. Like for this if you really want to do it. But I'm going to stick to my strategy, but something like this, enter here, target these zones below, put stop loss something like this, and you get a 2.5 risk to reward. Pretty crazy. You have to be able to hold this trade for long. I don't want to wait this long with trades. I rather have 1-to-1 risk to reward. The metals, nothing interesting. Like really, I don't like to trade the metals. I don't know what it is with it, but I think Forex is much more clear to trade. Let's go platinum. Alright, this is interesting. You got a W, then a bounce from the fat cat zone. What am I going to do here? Let's see how the risk to reward is. Something like this. Yeah, that's looking good. Now let's put the stop loss below the SMA and below the zone. See if then the target lines up to move. Yeah, that's good. Create a market order. 0.5. That's lining up nice. 1 unit. Buy market order. Yes. Okay. Interesting. Oil, how is the trade doing? It's following up with a move. That's good. Alright, it's 8 o'clock at my time. Look at the Forex market hours. We're inside the New York session. We have some more hours, like 3 more hours until the market completely goes silent. But that's enough to catch a trade. Let's close this thing I was working on. Let's move these. Let's open our indicators. Right. Okay. Then go to USD CHF and move down on the charts. Let's review the trades real quick. We got the Euro CHF close to take profit. Then the one who was really close to take profit is now at 23. And we got some drawdown on these trades. And then the platinum trade is moving towards the stop loss. GBP USD, we're starting to get a move from this level. Could be an aggressive move, but I think we are overextending. Still quite good. But, not an optimal setup for me. Okay, it's looking fine. It hasn't been moving down from this level. So how long until the spark close? 2 hours. Okay. You can see some more chop here. But I think this confirms that we are having a reaction. So let's put an order here. Let's go like this. Put the stop loss below the zone. Take profit somewhere in the middle of the range. Okay. Put at the snake and give the trade some more room. Right. Something like this. Stop order 0.5. 0.5. Simple as that. Right. Let's move on. Move this. Okay, looks like we are in the Euro USD trade. That's good for me. Okay. We don't trade the indexes. Oil, let's see how that's looking. Well, it's looking like it is establishing a double top before it's going down. So, but we'll see about that.
So we got a situation right here. You can see the price is touching the take profit. It's not closing it. This is probably because TradingView is trying to simulate the spread. It wants to guarantee this 49.93 USD profit. As you can see here, it says 42.35 profit. So I don't know how big this spread is they're using, but it's quite a big spread. Maybe they simulated from the broker, I don't know, but on my trading platform it's not as big as it is here. So but what do you do in this case? You just wait the trade out. Even if it is teasing you like this, just keep it open. It will move into take profit, and if not, just a loss.